Thin Sev. Hi, hello, welcome to Dosa to Besan. I'm Kanchan Jaykumar. We're going to have a lovely session of Sev. This is a very thin Sev and it's very yummy and simple to make. So let's look into how to do this lovely thin Sev.
So for this thin Sev, we have to heat oil in the wok and then we will start preparing the batter for this. Though it is a very simple and thin Sev, it needs a lot of dedication. So I am just putting the besan flour first and then little of rice flour. Add some salt to this. You'll have to check the quantity of the salt according to your family. You can add, and then add little of Ajwain. See, this Ajwain, what I have done is I put it in boiling water and then we will be filtering this Ajwain water and adding it. So that what will happen is this Ajwain doesn't go and block the small pores of the squeezer. Now if required we can add some turmeric powder to give a nice color, and it's also good for health. So I am adding little turmeric powder. Mix it well. See, everything depends on the mixing now. Add butter. Butter should be at room temperature and smooth so that it will be easy to mix it up with the flours. So give it a nice mix. It will be very sticky actually, so it will be a little difficult to give it a mix, but then do not make it watery. Otherwise, if you are going to make it watery, what will happen is it will be very difficult to squeeze it out. So see to that the consistency or the flour or the batter what we are preparing is of the right consistency.
Press this bell icon and never miss an update from us.
Only if the batter is like soft like the chapati dough, it will be very simple and easy to squeeze. Otherwise what will happen is when you are squeezing it, you will have to put a lot of pressure to get the thin ones. The thick ones it's okay, but for the thin ones we will have to concentrate on the consistency of the batter. So now just grease the press with oil on all sides. Now take a small soft ball. See, can you see the consistency? It's a soft chapati dough. So this should be fine. It will be very easy to squeeze it out now. Now let's check if the oil is hot. Put a small piece and see. It should come up immediately. Then the oil is in right heat. So if it is not in proper heat, what will happen? They will absorb more oil. So that is the problem with the thin Sev. So we should see that the oil is in right heat. Once I am dropping, it should just bubble up immediately. Now squeeze it. Give it a press. Just one circle or two circles around. See, the heat is in medium. Now look at this. You can slowly turn it to the other side. The bubbling of the oil has stopped. That indicates that the thin Sev is done. Now we can remove them from oil. See, it's completely done. It's very thin and nice. I'll just show you again. Within minutes they get cooked. So that's why we'll have to keep them in medium flame. Just like that. Give it a slight turn and it's done.
So dear friends, look at this thin and lovely Sev. So do try this and keep us posted. Dosa to Besan is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like and do not forget to share the link. Thank you and bye-bye.